The price of Bitcoin today went all the way up to this resistance level here at $25,200. It has since now declined back down to this support level right here at $24,496. What is coming next on the price of Bitcoin? Well, that's what I hope to tell you in today's video. So if you wouldn't mind, please do drop a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. We're trying to get 1,000 likes on this video, so please do drop a like and of course subscribe to the channel. So when it comes to the price of Bitcoin right now, why did the price just come down? What can we expect to happen? Well, as far as I'm concerned, nothing has changed since the other day. I'm not really expecting the breakout on the Thursday, more so the Friday. Going into the CME gap weekly close on the price of Bitcoin, that's when I expect the move is going to happen if we are going to break out this week. Now, Bitcoin, of course, is currently eyeing a significant breakout. A breakout would have to be above the previous high set at $25,200 all the way up here, currently sitting about $1,000 below that level, or about $800 below that level. How are my current open trades looking? Well, they're actually looking pretty decent right now. We've got $27,000 profit on Bitcoin, a $2,000 loss on Ethereum Classic, $32,000 profit on Ethereum, and then a few other trades here and there. Basically, you can see here the Phantom trade, 3,000, and a few other bits and bobs, but nothing really serious in terms of the amount of money being traded on those particular altcoins, more so speculative punts on the basis that if Bitcoin's price is to continue rising, of course, the value of these altcoins will continue to rise as well. Now, other things, of course, I want to discuss in today's video is the current price of TAP. And if we currently look at the price of TAP, currently sat at 58 Satoshis, currently showing some very nice support. You can see here, sell resistance is incredibly weak. This could pump at any moment as soon as volume returns. Again, the buy side is so much thicker than the sell side right now. To me, TAP looks primed again at this moment in time for another significant bounce back to the upside. And as far as I'm concerned, it's back in my buy zone. When it comes to the price of DAFI, at this moment in time, the current price of DAFI is sat at 2.5 cents. It's down a little bit so far today, but DAFI again is touching the bottom of the VWAP right now, and that signals that again the price should pump in the next 24-hour period. It's really heating up right now, is the altcoin market, and I'm pretty excited for what is to come in the next 24-hour period. Of course, when it comes to the current price of Bitcoin is looking interesting. Again, we're back down at this level of support. I believe that Bitcoin's price should, in theory, drop as low as $24,000. For me, $24,000 is the final level at which I intend, if we do get that low, to go giga long on the price of Bitcoin in anticipation that actually tomorrow night, Bitcoin essentially right now, I expect is going to tempt people into shorting what they believe is the top. Then tomorrow evening, I would expect a significant breakout on the price of Bitcoin, wrecking all those people that are thinking that right now is a good time to short. From my perspective, that is what Bitcoin tends to do when coming out of these very bearish periods in time. It tends to tempt people into short positions. We saw it the other day where Bitcoin's price crashed down. You saw everybody on Twitter going, oh, look, I'm going short right now. What a terrible decision that was. At the same time, then Bitcoin's price pumped to the upside. Bitcoin will not just break randomly through a resistance level without first retracing and allowing people to accumulate at a lower price level. Hence why my target for Bitcoin is $24,110. Am I going to do anything with my positions? No, I'm just going to leave them open and wait for that level to trigger, and then I'm going to increase the size of my trades on the price of Bitcoin and the price of Ethereum. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen to the markets right now, and so far so good. We've been correct now pretty much bang on since the start of this year. What an amazing 2023 it has been so far, and it probably is going to get better. Now, one of the reasons why it's going to get better is because look at Ethereum's Bitcoin value right now. This is Ethereum's dollar value. Ethereum's Bitcoin value is down. However, it's starting to form a W reversal pattern. Now, if Ethereum is forming that W reversal pattern, we can expect altcoin season is going to start the second that Ethereum's price starts rising to the upside. Now, if altcoin season is going to start, we're going to see some crazy pumps on the altcoin market. 20% a day, every single day for a week is the kind of thing that I would be expecting to see. And to be honest, I don't think we're that far away from it. I think that we're actually pretty close to it. From my experience of trading these markets in the past, as soon as Ethereum's Bitcoin value starts rising, coming out of a Bitcoin bear market, it tends to be that all altcoins follow that trend and they just start shooting up like crazy. So I'm expecting that probably within the next 48 hours or so, that the price of Ethereum's Bitcoin value is going to start recovering quite significantly. And when that does happen, we're going to see the altcoin markets move. At the same time, an altcoin that I'm looking to buy more of today is Glimmercoin, which has not yet officially broken back very bullishly to the upside. At the same time, when we're considering breaking to the upside on Glimmer coin right now, it needs to break through that level of 48 cents. Currently sat at 46 cents. It is an interesting one, is Glimmer. So yeah, I mean, from my perspective, I expect the Moonbeam, Glimmer, whatever you want to call it, is a really good hold for the next bull run. I'm expecting it to get to $6, so I just keep on buying more and more and more. It's pretty simple as far as strategies go. Another strategy that I've got at the moment, actually, that I should probably show you, if it's going to load. Here we go. BGB coin. I keep buying more and more BGB coin. Currently got $16,930 of it. I keep buying more and more and more of it. If you do want to buy BGB coin, you'll find a link for BitGet in today's video description. Please do check it out. BitGet's a fantastic exchange, and I believe that their exchange coin, which is what BGB is, it's it's like Binance coin is to Binance, BGB coin is to BitGet. I expect because BitGet is going to go through a serious growth if we are going to go into a bull market. For me, BGB coin is significantly smaller than like the $64 billion market cap that BNB has. And so from that perspective, it's a play on the fact that I expect growth on that exchange. Now, a couple more things that we need to cover in today's video, of course, would be looking at the current price of Ethereum's dollar value. Ethereum has yet to reach our target all the way up here at $1,800. Currently sat at $1,680. Can we expect continued upwards price action on the price of Ethereum? Well, from my perspective, again, it's tomorrow night. Tomorrow night is going to be a really interesting one. Now, I'm going to go on a live stream tonight as well. Probably be a shorter one, to be honest, because I'm incredibly tired. It's been a really, really long day. I don't know if you can tell from the eye bags that are starting to form, but I'm working my bollocks off right now to try and keep up to date on these daily videos, but at the same time, increase the size of my business, run Crypto Saving Expert, all that stuff. It's hard work. Now, when it comes to the current price of Ethereum, I want to point out, go back here. Look, we're currently sat on this old level of support. Look, if we're to lose this old level of support, that doesn't look great at that point in time, but I expect to hold this old level of support and then again stagnate overnight and then bump up in not the morning, kind of like tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow for me is the day. So Friday, that's the day. Friday is all going to happen on Friday, so prepare yourselves, stack your accounts, and of course, if you are interested in trading, please do check out the links in today's video description for BYBIT and BitGet. I have our BGB coin on BitGet, and I trade on BitGet at the same time. I do the bulk of my trading currently on BYBIT, for which you'll definitely find a link in today's video description. If you use that link, you can get up to $30,000 for free, and if you don't know how to trade and you want to learn how to trade, please click on the tutorial that is on the screen right now. But on that note, guys, thank you all very much for watching. If you did enjoy today's video, please do drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.